Yun. Yun ang mga, I think, I think I have a talk for mechanical engineers by May yata. So I do talks, but it's really more on the tech side. Yun. Yung public talk ko will be sometime September during the IoT conference.
Okay.
Yan.
Thank you. Thank you for that. If you
Yan.
have a QR code, probably na where we can lead the participants or the audience of this call, um, so
Mm.
they can just scan it, share to us, and we'll post it somewhere here.
Sige.
All right.
Oh, you can people can find me on LinkedIn.
Yes.
I'm ano,
Okay.
I'm quite I think Miss Loomis was able to find me on LinkedIn as well.
All right.
Yun.
So
So sabi ko this is going to be an exciting interview.